Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at the highly anticipated 2025 Kia Sportage GT line. Now, Kia hasn't officially announced it yet, but rumors are swirling about a mid-cycle refresh for the popular SUV. So, buckle up as we explore what we know so far. The biggest changes are expected on the outside. The front end might get a new sportier bumper and a redesigned version of Kia's signature Tiger nose grille. Think smaller LED headlights for a more modern look. The overall shape should stay athletic with sharp character lines and possibly a floating roof design for better aerodynamics. Inside, the updates might be more subtle. New upholstery options and trim pieces are likely, but the overall layout from the current Sportage, which is praised for its comfort and space, is expected to carry over. Engine options are also up in the air. Some sources suggest Kia might stick with the proven 2.5 liters four-cylinder and the powerful 2.0 liters turbocharged four-cylinder from the 2024 model. The 226 horsepower hybrid option that combines a 1.6 liters turbocharged engine with an electric motor is also a strong possibility. Again, with no official announcement, these are just educated guesses. The 2025 Sportage GT line could debut sometime in late 2024. As for pricing, expect a slight bump over the current model, which starts around $30,000 for the base trim. While we wait for Kia to officially unveil the 2025 Sportage GT line, there's a lot to be excited about. A refreshed design, potential tech upgrades, and a range of efficient and powerful engines make it a promising option in the compact SUV segment. Let me know in the comments what features you're hoping to see in the new Sportage GT line, and be sure to subscribe for more updates on this and other exciting new cars. Remember, this information is based on rumors and speculation. Until Kia officially reveals the 2025 Sportage GT line, details like final design, features, and pricing can change. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more awesome car content, and always thanks for watching.